In today's video, let's talk about how to fix AllBank login problems. So whether you have any sort of bank account or the bank application, and if you're having login issues constantly within your application, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, what this mainly happens is due to app bugs. So in this situation, the best way to solve this issue is just to reinstall the application onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issues should also be fixed. Also, make sure that your phone's storage is not getting full. If it is running out of space, this also might be causing such issues. Also, what you can try out is just try to restart your device, because sometimes your phone has glitches, and once you reinstall the application should start to work. Now, if none of these are your cases, and if none of these solutions are working out for you, in this situation, it also could be happening due to maintenance errors or the server side issues. So in this situation, just wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.